Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the online class and welcome back to this chapter. Yesterday, you have seen, I have completed half of the chapter, right? So now, I just want to ask you or tell you that what are the things we have seen in this video yesterday? So, what were the things we have seen yesterday? So, yesterday we have seen how one uncle has brought Rashid and his means a boy who worked in his house. They took them into the fair, okay, after the Eid. तो ईद के बाद जो ईद में जो मेले जो फेयर लगता है वो काफ़ी दिन तक लगा रहता है एंड दे वेंट थ्रू दैट फेयर. They had seen so many things, but uncle warned him when he met his friend and he was going to spend some time with his friends. Rashid's uncle warned him that don't go anywhere into the shop and don't buy things. You can go explore, go here and there, look what are the things are involved in, what are the things are here in the this fair. Just go have a look, but don't buy anything. Okay, but after moving here and there, Rashid and the boy they saw something which is called the Lucky Shop. What was the name of that shop? The Lucky Shop, where many people came and Rashid saw an old man and a boy who was little bit older than him. They tried their luck and they won good things, and the older boy also had a good deal of money, right? So what the game was like they had to pay 50 paise, in which they received six disc. In that some numbers were written, and after adding that all the numbers, जो आर्टिकल रहता था वहाँ पर, उस आर्टिकल में जो भी रहता था लाइक समथिंग विच इज़ रियली वैल्यूएबल, वो उसे वापस मिल जाता था, है ना. एंड इफ़ दे डोंट वांट दे कैन रिटर्न इट एंड दे कैन जो भी पैसा मीन्स जो भी एडिशन होता था वो उतना पैसा उसको वापस मिल जाता था. Okay, so after seeing this, and he also seen after seeing a boy who was older than he had a good deal of something because he won many things like two pencils, fountain pen, wrist watch, everything he won, and he had a good deal of that cash, and that's why Rashid got impressed with this lucky shop, and he thought that he will also try his luck. But what happened? He tried his luck again and again, but he got unlucky, and he thought that he was unlucky to win anything in this lucky shop. एट लास्ट व्हाट हैपेंड, वो सारा पैसा उसका ख़त्म होने के बाद उसके पास सिर्फ 25 पैसे बचे थे, एंड शॉपकीपर ने काइंडनेस शो करते हुए क्या बोलो, ओके फाइन, यू कैन अगेन ट्राई योर लक विद दिस 25 पैसे, है ना. तो 25 पैसे के बाद भी उसे ये मिला कि चलो फाइन, यू कैन ट्राई योर लक अगेन. नाउ विल कंटिन्यू फ्रॉम हियर, फ्रॉम द 9th पैराग्राफ इट इज़ रिटन. People were looking at me like when Rashid got unlucky. He failed to try his luck and he failed to achieve something in that lucky shop. People were looking at me. Some were laughing at my bad luck, but none showed any sympathy. Bhaiya and I went to the place where uncle had left us and waited for him to return. Presently he came, he looked at me and said, Rashid, you look upset. What is the matter? Now what happened after losing all the money? वो और जो भैया थे उसके साथ वो लोग वापस उसी जगह पे आ गए जहाँ पर अंकल ने उसे बोला था या छोड़ा था जहाँ पर, ठीक है, सो दैट ही कैन फाइंड हिम ईजली. तो कुछ नहीं उसने वहाँ पर कुछ उसको नहीं मिला, वो किसी भी चीज़ को जीत नहीं लिया. तो लोग उसको देख रहे थे, सब हंस रहे थे, लेकिन किसी ने भी सिंपैथी नहीं दिया, मतलब लाइक ओके ओके फाइन, ऐसा कुछ भी किसी ने नहीं बोला. एवरीवन वाज लाफिंग एंड लुकिंग एट हिम कि ये देखो लक के ट्राई के चक्कर में इसे कुछ भी नहीं मिला. एंड जब वो वेट कर रहे थे कि ओके फाइन अब अंकल आएंगे, तो जब अंकल आए तो ही आस्क्ड, ही सॉ रशीद वाज रियली अपसेट, तो ही आस्क्ड व्हाट हैपेंड. रशीद, why you are sad? What is the matter? I did not say anything. Bhaiya told him what happened. Okay. So Rashid didn't say anything, but Bhaiya, who was with him, he told everything what happened on the lucky shop. Uncle was neither angry nor sad. He smiled and patted me. He took me to the shop and bought me a beautiful umbrella, biscuits and sweets and other some other little gifts. Then we returned home. Now what happened? After knowing this, all the incident, Rashid uncle was neither got angry and nor he was sad also. He smiled and patted उसके पीठ को थपथपाया and said okay fine just come into this shop and रशीद को उसके अंकल ने क्या क्या दिलाया. He bought him umbrella, biscuits and sweets and और भी बहुत सारे गिफ्ट दिलाए थे. And after buying this all the thing they came back to home. Okay. Back home, Uncle told me that the lucky shop man had made me a fool of me. Now, why Uncle smiled? Uncle smiled because he knew that the shop had cheated him. Okay, the shop had cheated him. That's why he warned him that don't go anywhere into the shop until I will come back. Don't buy anything. I'll buy you things, but don't buy your own because as we don't know, means evenly means we can't buy anything by our own like really expensive or something which is really tricky. Our parents can decide that, or someone who can understand things better. So um, दिस वॉज द रीज़न ही वांट हिम कि कहीं पे जाके भी कुछ भी खरीदना नहीं है. बट द लकी शॉप वॉज रियली attracted Rashid and he went through that and he lost all the money and that's why uncle smiled and told that कि नहीं he made you a fool, he made you a fool. No uncle, I said it was just my bad luck. No, my boy, said uncle, it was neither good luck nor bad luck. But uncle, I said I saw an old man getting a clock and a boy getting two or three costly things. Okay, now uncle and Rashid are having a conversation कि नहीं उसने तो ऐसा हुआ था. ओल्ड मैन और बॉय तो बहुत सारी चीज़ को जीत रहे थे. इट इज़ ओनली ऑफ माई बैड लक. देन अंकल सेड नहीं, he cheated on you, he cheated you, he took all the money of yours, he fooled you. बट रशीद टोल कि नहीं ऐसा तो कुछ भी नहीं, उसको तो बहुत सारा चीज़ मिला था, क्लॉक मिला था उसको, बहुत सारे कॉस्टली आइटम्स भी मिला था. Now uncle said, you don't know child, uncle said. They were all friends of the shopkeeper. They were playing tricks to tempt you to try your luck. सब लोग आपको अट्रैक्ट कर रहे थे कि आप शॉप में आओ, अपना लक ट्राई करो. They wanted you money and they got it. Now forget about it and don't tell anybody of your bad luck or your foolishness. Yes, of course. He was badly cheated with the money because the lucky shop only wanted the money. He didn't want to give any of the items. और जब वो आदमी और जो बच्चे जीत रहे थे, they were the men of that द शॉपकीपर मैन. ओके, वो शॉपकीपर का ही आदमी था एंड दे वेयर जस्ट टेम्पटिंग, उसको अट्रैक्ट करने के लिए वो ऐसा दे जस्ट प्लेड अ स्ट्रैटेजी और वेयर दे वन एंड रशीद का उन्होंने पैसा ले लिया, है ना. नाउ अंकल सेड ओके फाइन, डोंट टेल दिस इंसिडेंट टू एनीवन बिकॉज जो भी सुनेगा वो तुम पे हंसेगा. ओके, सो डोंट टेल एनीबडी about this or the bad luck, it's just your foolishness. Okay, so here what we seen that if someone want us or some elder want us that do such things, we should obey, we should at least, because they can understand things better, right? Okay, fine, I'll just give you example. You and your little brother are there, who gonna buy something, your little brother or you will buy something for anything, कुछ भी अगर खरीदना है तो who will go and buy the things? Of course you, because you are more intelligent than your little one. Okay, so sometimes when our elders tell something which we should not repeat or we should not do, we should follow that. Okay, so this is all about the lucky shop. Now we'll move towards the exercise part of this chapter. Should we? Okay. I want you to give me some answers in the chat box, which will help me to know whether you understood this chapter or not. Okay, let's move. Complete the following sentences from memory, choosing a phrase from those given in the bracket. Some of the phrases are given in the bracket. You have to choose the appropriate one and you have to fill in the blanks. Okay, to complete these sentences. Now, Dash was held at the time of the Eid festival. What? A big show, a big fair, a big competition. Now, just give me the answer because you know the answers. Tradesmen came to the village with all kinds of goods, dash, to display, to buy, to sell. Okay? Uncle told me dash while he was away not to buy anything. Sorry, uncle told me dash while he was away. What will the correct phrase for this sentence is? Not to buy anything, not to go anywhere, not to talk to anyone. Just choose the right appropriate phrase. The owner of the lucky shop wanted everybody present dash to play the game, to win a prize, to try their luck. Okay. The first time I took a chance, I got dash a bottle of ink, two pencils, a trifle. Uncle told me that the shopkeeper had made dash a fool of me, a good profit, friends with many people. So, what you have said the answer for the first one? The first answer will be a big fair. Second answer will be to sell. Third answer will be not to buy anything. And the fourth answer will be to try their luck. And the fifth answer will be a bottle of, two pencils. Okay. And the sixth one will be a fool of me. So these are the correct answers. Please match your answers. Now we'll move to the another questions is like answer the following questions. Let's see. Why do you think Rashid's uncle asked him not to buy anything in his absence? क्यों रशीद के अंकल ने उसे मना किया था? I told you na, because anyone can cheat him. Okay, because the shopkeeper may cheat him or he will not understand the things properly and he may get cheated on something and he will give the money for that useless things. Okay, so जैसे कि उसने इसलिए मना किया just because he could not be cheated by any of the shopkeeper. Why was the shop called Lucky Shop? It was written as a lucky shop just to tempt people कि सब लोग आए वहाँ पर and they can try their luck. The shop was called Lucky Shop just to tempt the people and to try their luck. An old man won a clock and sold it back to the shopkeeper. How much money did he make? Have you remember how much money? It was 15 rupees. Okay, it was 15 rupees. How many prizes did the boy win? The boy won 4 prizes. Now, what were they? They were like wristwatches, table lamp, pencils, and fountain pen. So these were the things he won from the prizes. Why was Rashid upset? So Rashid was upset because he failed to try his luck, and because of his bad luck he didn't get anything from that lucky shop. In what way did the shopkeeper make a fool of Rashid? To try his luck, उसको ट्राई करने के लिए टेम्प्ट किया and afterwards he took all the money of Rashid. Okay, now you have to do this like the words given against the sentences below can be used both as a noun and verbs. Use them appropriately to fill in the blanks. I want you to do this. You can just take the screenshot. You have to use the appropriate form of this word which is given in the bracket. They can be the noun also, at the same time they can be verb. So you have to think and fill in the blanks. You have to use the correct form of the these words which is given in the bracket. If you want any kind of help, I'll help you, but before that I want you to do the work by your own. Okay, so you can give the answers or you can ask me or I will ask you to complete this. Okay, fine. Can I give the answers? Okay, let's give. The two teams have dash 3 matches. The two teams have played 3 matches. Okay, the last day's play was excellent. ओके, प्ले एक तो नाउन हो गया, मतलब कोई मैच होगा या गेम होगा, और प्लेड ऊपर वाले में वर्ब है. Like this you have to finish this all. Okay, I'm just leaving this on you. You can use your own mind and you can complete this. Now notice the use of there in the following sentences. You have to use the form of use of there. आपको there use करना है in a sentences and you have to tell the answers. ओके, लेट्स मूव ऑन. जैसे आपका एक दिया हुआ आई कैन डू नथिंग टू हेल्प यू, तो इसको रीराइट करना है सेंटेंसेस विद द हेल्प ऑफ द वर्ड देयर. तो देयर इज नथिंग आई कैन डू टू help you. Like this you have to complete this exercise which is written, this park has beautiful roses, your story has no fun in it, you have no secrets between us, my village has two primary schools, this problem can be solved in 2 ways. So these are the things you have to solve it. This park has beautiful roses, what can how you will use there and how you will keep them, क्योंकि आपको देर लगाने के बाद सेंटेंस का मीनिंग चेंज नहीं करना है. ठीक है, सो दिस पार्क हैज ब्यूटीफुल रोजेस मीन्स देयर आर ब्यूटीफुल रोजेस इन द पार्क, ऐसा कुछ. योर स्टोरी हैज नो फन इन इट, देयर्स नो फन इन योर स्टोरी, देयर्स नो फन इन योर स्टोरी. Okay, we have no secrets between us, there's no secret between us. Okay, there's no secret between us. And the rest of the two, I think you can do it by yourself. Use this question number 4 and 5 in the comment section. Answer the questions. My village has 2 primary schools and this problem can be solved in 2 ways. Okay, now this paragraph can you can do it by yourself, right? So I don't think I have to give the answers, but if you want the answers I'll give you. So there was a dash Eid fair in our village, we could buy anything from a dash toy to dash camel. I went to fair on its dash day with uncle and bhaiya. We went to a lucky shop, it was dash, I tried my luck but did not win any prize. Later uncle told me that I was more dash than dash. You can complete this paragraph by your own. I'm just leaving it to you, or I should tell the answers. Okay, use it, I'll give you the answers. Okay, now you have to suppose you are Rashid, describe in your own words. You visit to the fair, do not refer to the lucky shop. Okay, लकी शॉप को रेफर नहीं करना है, आपको बस बताना है कि आप रशीद हो और आप फेयर में गए, एंड व्हाट आर द थिंग्स यू हैव डन इन योर फेयर, और व्हाट आर द थिंग्स यू हैव सीन इन द फेयर. ओके, read aloud the 2 paragraphs that describe the boy and the old man at the lucky shop. Okay, आपको वो लकी शॉप और ये लकी शॉप पे 2 ओल्ड मैन और 2 बॉय थे ना जो गेम खेल रहे थे वहाँ, उसका पैराग्राफ आपको रीड करना है. ठीक है, okay, these are the match the followings, you have to complete it. Okay, let's move to the another section, it is like detection. Okay, you have heard about the rhyming words or something, है ना. तो यहाँ पे आपको ये बताना है कि something which rhymes together or have same pronunciation but have different spelling, है ना. जैसे आप fair है तो उसका आंसर फेयर लिखा हुआ है, बाई है BUY है तो BYE लिख सकते हो, है ना. प्रोनाउंसिएशन सेम है बट देयर स्पेलिंग्स आर डिफरेंट, सो यू हैव टू कंप्लीट इट बाय योर ओन. फेयर का क्या होगा? Okay, I'm just telling the answers, but you have to tell me the spellings. Okay, so 1, what you will say, 1 का क्या होगा? Which 2 no, you have to use this your own sense to complete this, because pronunciation same होना चाहिए but the spelling can't be same. Okay, so these are the things we have seen in this chapter and the exercises, and let's complete this. So there was a dash huge Eid fair in our village, we could buy anything from fair, from I think in I yeah there was a big fair, Eid fair in our village.